In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Samsung TV in case when you connect the optical cable, you do not get any sound to your soundbar or maybe your home theater or other device. So there's two things you can try, and I think the first one is the one that will solve your issue, but I'll show you what to do in case you're still having the problem afterwards. So go ahead, take your remote control. Even if it does not look like mine, you should get you should have a home button there. Click on it so you have this menu appearing. Go all the way to the left with the left arrow until you have settings highlighted. Press the middle button once. Then in this menu you need to select sound, so go down, press the middle button, go to expert settings here, press the middle button, go down, digital output audio format, click the middle button, and usually by default is automatic. What you need to do is to go up and select PCM, press the middle button once, and that's all. This should fix your issue. So go ahead, press the home button, open one of these apps, open the TV, and check if the sound is back. Additionally, you can go back in this menu with the left arrow where settings is, and make sure that over here where it says TV speaker, when you see sound output, by going up arrow, then going over here and clicking the middle button, you can switch between TV speaker and optical by clicking the middle button. So you see, very easy. Make sure it's under optical. Now I'll show you another trick on how to solve this problem. So while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. Alright, so I hope this was useful. If it was, please leave a comment. It's always nice to see people fixing their issue, and if you have another solution, please write it as well. If not, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.